Trains are crashed. What are you going to do?
Where's it going now? Oh no!
Are they going to crash again? Oh no! Oh no! And the train broke. And the green train's running away! Where's it going? Oh, Noah stopped it. So this is the new track that Noah and Mummy built today. Is it good?
Yeah!
Yeah? Is it a cool track?
Yeah!
Yeah. Look at this. It's super exciting. Whoa. What's going on there? Round the corner.
Here! This juice.
Has the green train run out of juice, do you think? Does it need a new battery? Oh, it's over the top. Oi! Green one over the top. And there's the yellow one that's going to go through the... Yeah, it's going to go through there. Whee! Okay, and what's this one here? Oh.
Choo-choo!
Choo-choo!
Whoa! Whee! Oh, it's again. Oh no,
It's alright. Oh no, what happened? Oh, there it goes.
There it goes. I'll show you.
Zoom. Through the tunnels.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what's happened?
It's raining.
Oh, is it stuck? Can you fix it? Oh, here's the green train coming.
Oh no.
Can't imagine the things that you have seen or understand the decisions you were called to make. I can't
Yeah?
imagine the
You want that on the top? Okay, you're gonna hold the camera. Hold the camera.
or understand the nightmares that you have faced.
Move your hands a little bit.
Because of
There you go.
I can sleep in peace tonight. Because of you, a flame of hope is still
How am I doing? Burning miserably here. Oh, there we go.
Uh-oh.
so it's up to the rest of us to provide a little help for heroes.
See?
Yeah, what can you see?
A
The
train.
trains.
Is this train at down?
Yeah, it's going
Take a walk in your shoes.
almost there, so I've got to stop. And now it's going down.
It's you.
That you've been made to carry. Take a walk
Uh-oh.
as you face every day. Feel the heat you suffer.
Okay.
She's fast.
Pain you
Yeah, trains crash.
but because of you, I can sleep in peace.
Good track fixing.
Because of you, a flame of hope is still alive. Because of you, so it's up to the rest of us to provide a little help for heroes.
Whoa.
Boy loves crashing his trains.
Because of you, a flame of hope is still alight. Because of you, I can sleep in peace tonight.
Oh.
Oh no, what happened to the other train?
Oh no.
Are you going to move the other train?
But the rock is down.
Are you going to fix it? No, it's filming, isn't he? Okay, thank you, buddy. Oh, dinner time, so we're going to stop the fun. Bye-bye!